So I want to start off this video by congratulating my friend Ben, who sent me a text that a technique I gave him to help find him a new job worked. He found the exact job he was looking for after searching for some time, and because of his accomplishment, I want to share with you all the method I gave to him so that hopefully you can use it as well. So the first thing you want to do is write down your schedule. So I want to know what time you go to sleep, what time you wake up, how long it takes you to get ready for work, and then the time it takes for you to go to work and then go home before you go to sleep. Then, in that moment, I want you to take what free time you have in your day and what you do with it. So for a lot of people, this is going to be relax, or for some people, it's going to be reading. Some people, it's going to be writing, researching, maybe an event, or go to the gym. Take that for the entire week and ask yourself if this schedule is okay. I'm going to assume that if you're looking for a new position, it's not okay. The one thing that I stress to a lot of coworkers who I've worked with in the past that don't like their job and don't like being there, which, yes, it happened quite often. So I'll ask them, what else would they be doing? Is it the time? Is it the actual work? And a lot of times it comes down to that, time. So at that point I ask them the question I just presented to you: how much time do you actually have? So this next step is the advice that I had given to my friend Ben that ended up working for him. I want you to write down the ideal position that you want, what field you're working in, whether it's marketing, customer service, sales, hospitality. I also want you to write down what your ideal workday would look like. Are you working with customers? Are you working on paperwork? Is it work from home? Are there any sort of benefits this job is giving you? Once you have that together, you want to write down your schedule. You want to write down what your new schedule is going to look like. What time are you going to wake up? What time are you going to go to work and come home from work? And how much free time are you going to have? A lot of complaints with jobs is that they don't have enough time, or they want more time to do things. So look for a position that's going to offer you that. And you can be straightforward in interviews. If people are on the phone or in an email and they want to know, do you have any questions for me? Is there anything I can answer for you? Tell them straight up, this is the schedule I want. I want to work from home. Back to Ben. He used this as a resource for himself to find other jobs. When he went in the interview, he was confident about the hours he wanted to work, what he wanted to do, and what he was going to be best at. He ended up finding a position that did just that. At the end of the day, this really is a very simple exercise. It's just bringing to light where you are, where you want to be. This way, when you're going out and searching for other opportunities or jobs in this where you want to be mindset, you'll know exactly what you're going to be looking for in the outcome. As always, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe, turn on the bell to hear the notifications, and comment a strategy that you have. Comment a time that you were looking for a new position and you did something or thought of something to land you the position you have now. Hope this helps. We'll see you next time.